How to uninstall Canva application from your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or delete the Canva application from your Windows PC. So if you have decided to get rid of the Canva application and you want to uninstall it, then the first thing that you will need to do is head on to the settings of your Windows computer. So to head on to the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and you will see the taskbar popped up. And once the taskbar is available, you need to click onto this Windows button icon. So you need to right click onto this Windows button icon, and then from here you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto this settings option and it will lead you directly to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Now from here you can see this particular tab which says apps. So you need to click onto this apps tab, and from here under the apps a lot of options appear. Now the first option, as you can see, is installed apps. It says uninstall and manage apps on your PC. So simply click onto this installed apps button and then you can see the search bar at the top. So in this search bar you need to simply search for Canva. And once you will do this, you can see that this is the Canva application right here. And just over the right hand corner of the application name, you can see the size, which is around 566 megabyte. And just after that, you can see this three horizontal dots that says more options. So simply click onto this more options button and you will see the uninstall button right here. So simply click onto this uninstall button and it will display a warning that says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So if you want to proceed, simply click onto this uninstall button and here you can see this says, are you sure you want to uninstall Canva? So click onto this OK button and it says Canva is running, click OK to close it. If it doesn't close, try closing it manually. So in case if a instance of Canva is actively running on your computer, you might get this particular error message. So simply click onto the OK button and wait if the instance gets closed. If the instance gets closed, you need to repeat the same process again and click onto these three dots and click onto the uninstall button and then press the uninstall button again. And here it says Windows cannot find Canva. So that means Canva has already been successfully uninstalled. So although the instance is actively present, if I try to search for the Canva application, you can see that there is no such application as Canva which is currently being present into my system. And here you can also see that now from the list of the applications, the Canva application has successfully disappeared. So that's how easily you can uninstall Canva from your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.